I'm in China, and today I will show you the factory of Golden Dragon. Golden Dragon is one of the major bus and coach manufacturers in China. They have several factories around the city of Xiamen, but we are today visiting the biggest and newest facility. In total, Golden Dragon can produce more than 20,000 vehicles a year. 2,000 employees are working to build buses from 8 to 15 meters. They produce on 5 different platforms: diesel, CNG, LNG, hybrid, electric, and today we're going inside the wall of the factory of Golden Dragon. Welcome to China. I got a very nice helmet on me because now I'm inside the heart of the welding shop. I'm going to take a look on where they build the buses from scratch. I'm going to see when they weld the steel. I will see how they weld the frames of the Golden Dragon buses.
Well, this is the general assembling line, and here they weld all the parts really precisely together. Maybe one of the most modern welding shops in China. This is a very unique hall where they also have a monorail system in the roof, where they can move around all the parts, the roof, the chassis, from this hall to the next hall. This hall is approximately 800 meters long, and as you can see behind me, everything is going on rails. And they are building everything here. They are starting with the small steel parts, welding it together, and they produce chassis from 6 to 15 meters. And they also have double-decker at this welding shop.
This is the electrophoresis hall, and as you can see, it's absolutely no people here. Everything is automated. And if you wonder what this hall does, well, this is where you get a rust-free vehicle. Next to me now, there is a Golden Dragon bus going down to a pool of chemicals. Altogether, it's 14 different pools with chemicals that all the vehicles and the parts will be dipped down to ensure a 10-year rust-free guarantee for the vehicles. Not only the complete vehicle goes down in these pools, it's also all the parts. So Golden Dragon buses shouldn't rust at all, even in the worst conditions. And all the people working here are not in this field. They are sitting in control rooms, controlling that everything is going exactly as planned. And in total, every pool have a cyclist of 8 minutes before it's time to go in for the next vehicle. And every day, 60 vehicles can be dipped into these machines, ensuring a total production of 20,000 vehicles every year. It's a huge operation here at Golden Dragon, and here we make them rust-free.
This paint shop is maybe the most modern in the whole world. Here you have a lot of booths where they can paint buses from 6 to 13.7 meter. And for the Nordic market, where we have a lot of 15 meter buses, they are painted more manually, but they still have the same quality, and they also have the same warranty as all the Golden Dragon buses. Here the buses come in with a base, and then they are sanded down so they will have a smooth surface before they go into the booth. And inside here there is barely any people. Everything is automated. Buses come on rails into the booth, and after they are painted, they will come out again, move to the next one and the next one. But there's always a supervisor that is checking everything. They are sitting in another room and looking at the monitors to be sure that the quality is the best on the market. And they also check that nothing can go wrong in the automatic procedures. I have never seen this before. This is robotic painting. It's brand new for me, and I've never been standing inside a painting booth before. Now we are inside a painting booth. As you can see behind me, there is robots painting the coach. This is the modern style of painting. And here we are standing. There is no cover between me and the coach, and I cannot smell any of the paint. And they have a really good filter system to remove all the pollution in the air.
And this is the room where the paint comes from. The paint is in completely regular painting buckets, just like the ones you will use when you paint your house. And then they go into these pipes that will feed the robot arms with the paint. Then they will paint the bus in all different kind of colors.
And after the first layer of paint, the coach come out and they check it manually, and they also sand it down if necessary before they move it to the next booth. And as you can see, they have a lot of lights on the coach so they can see all the details when they are working on it.
If you like this factory tour, consider subscribing to our channel because we do factory tours all over the world. And follow us on TikTok and Instagram for short reels every day.
The coach have been painted, it have been checked, it have been baked, and now it can be checked for the last time before they start to assembling the coach. In this area, all the coaches are going automatically on rails. So there is no people that are moving the coaches, they are only checking the coaches. Here everything is checked, the paint have good quality, and I can see that you can also get your logo, your design in this painting shop. So now the coaches and buses are ready to go to assembling line to get windows, seats and wheels, driveline, batteries, everything to be put in service. Then after the bus and coach have left this area, the platform will go up in the roof and all the way back to where everything started. And then they are welding a new coach on the same platform.
So now I'm standing in the final assembly hall here at the Golden Dragon factory. And this hall is 600 meters long. It is 100 meters wide. This hall by itself has the size of 6 football fields. It's just huge.
Here they have the spare parts for the buses. The front axle, the rear axle, that's going up in the air and moving around in this area. That makes this more easy for the workers so they don't have to push the parts around. Every part have a QR code so they can scan and know exactly which body the parts will be mounted on. And if you have a spare parts that are breaking down, maybe after 3, 4, 5 years, you can easily scan the code on that part and they know exactly here in the warehouse which part you need. This is one of the last steps in the assembling line. Here you are mounting the tires. As you can see, everything is automated. You take the tires into a machine that lifts it up in a precisely position so you can just mount the bolts. They also have a special tool that assures that the torque on the bolts are correctly. And this is also the first double-decker I have seen in this factory. And it's quite short. So I'm wondering where this is going to.
Thank you so much for watching the video here today. And if you like what you see, click down here. The button is called subscribe and then you will see all the future videos from us in Bussmagasinet. Until next time, drive safely. Have a great day.